Guys, this is gonna be the Hunger Cat challenge. The Hunger Cat eats a big chicken leg. Stay down. Stop. Kitty, stop! 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 Why are you behaving like that? Like you're starving? Stop! Stop! I'm going to give it to you. Stop! 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 Guys, you see this? No, Kitty, stop! I won't give it to you. Stop! Stop! I'm going to give it to you. Why are you behaving like that? Don't behave like that. Stop! Stop! I'm going to give it to you. Come. Oh my goodness! Kitty, why are you behaving like that? Kitty, take your time and eat this something. Take your time. You're gonna choke. Jeez, guys, you seeing this? This cat is dangerous. He is very much dangerous. He might choke off himself. Take your time. Take your time and eat the thing. Take your time. Take your time. Guys, cat eat chicken leg in less than 5 minutes. My goodness. You're awful. Take your time and eat it. Do not kill yourself. Don't kill yourself. Here. Guys, I ensure that I locked away the others because I know if I give this little boy this little bone, he will be killing himself right now. So he doesn't have any competition, and he was behaving like that. Imagine if he had the other cats around. Wow, it will be tragic, guys. It will be tragic. I'm telling you, tearing up the chicken leg. Look at you. Look at you. Take your time. Take your time. Guys, this cat, when it comes on to meat, is very much dangerous. I feared for my life just now, guys. I feared for my life when he was jumping up and down. I'm like, am I gonna lose my finger? Guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. And we will see you next time because the other cats are tearing down the door. So Sarah gone over there, guys. Where's Stray Kitty? Come down. Mashing up my things, them. Guys, I locked them up in the bathroom. Anyway, guys, we'll see you next time. Peace, I'm out.